Does this look normal to you at idle? It's cold right now, just warming up. But I don't know, this 14% is a little much. High IPC PSI, I think. Should be like 600.9. I don't know what will cause this. And then it jumps to this. Shut it off, turn it back on, it seems to be working fine, but the pressure's high. I am going to change the IPR. Well, here we go again. I've taken the airbox out already, but I'm going after the IPR again. I'll put the stock one back in because I know that one was good. When I had this issue, it was the standpipes, the tops of the standpipes were no good, and I may have to go into that again as well. But I'm going to start with the IPR because that's a quicker one, and I have an Amazon one in there which I was told is no good, they're junk. And when I replaced mine, that was not my issue, so I know that IPR was good. So we'll switch that back in. I gave it a good clean, put a new screen on it. The screen looked great, it was fine when I took it out. So I'll put the OEM one back in and give her a try. And if that doesn't work, then I'm pretty sure it'll be those O-rings again and take the valve covers off again. I'll keep you posted what I find. Well, I got the plug off. And I see some oil on it. Quite a bit of oil on there. The camera doesn't quite show it, but it's pretty oily. Wires and I'll clean it up real good. I got some electronics cleaner. Oh, there it is. The cheapo brand. Okay, let's get this guy out of there. Okay, I got it out of there, and check this out. Big old hole through the center of it. The O-ring's absolutely destroyed. Wow. That's wild. Crazy. This is insanity. No. Well, this is what I was afraid of, is being halfway through a job and it's starting to rain. So it's raining. It's supposed to stop in about an hour, but if it gets low enough, we will, or slow enough, I'll get it back together. But yeah, it'll be back together pretty quick here. Well, look at that, fired up, runs like a dream. IPR is at a proper percentage now, 28%, whereas before it was at 15. So that IPR from the get-go was a problem. I don't know what happened there, but anyways, IPR solved my issue. Runs like a dream. Proper numbers. she's good to go for another 2,000 kilometers. Hopefully with a 0 on the end. Just wanted to show you guys another clip. It's getting on the warm side now. And here's the numbers I got. So 22% IPR, 580, 600.9. This is the proper voltage and percentage and PSI. And this is what the numbers should be at idle. And as you can see in the first clip, my numbers were way off. 50% IPR, 1.1%, 1.2% on the, or 1.2 volts on the IPC, and 800 on the ICP PSI. So that's the issue I was having, and I had that issue honestly since I did my standpipes, but I also replaced the IPR with an Amazon one. And now that I put the OEM one back on, I know my issue was the standpipes originally, so now she's running like a top, proper numbers, and she's good to go. So, there you go.